Hello everyone, thanks for visiting my website. Today I am going to discuss Canadian number one insurance company where you can get the insurance you want. Today I am reviewing a website. That website name is Save Visit. It belongs to Canada. Here you can see visitors to Canada medical insurance, quotes, and apply for visitors to Canada insurance in a few easy steps. You can clearly see they declare that the step is very easy, or you can get your insurance for free. As you can see in the home, they write whatever you are here for a visit or plan to make Canada your new home, welcome at Safe Visit. We urge all visitors and new imaginers to purchase travel medical insurance to cover the high cost that can be associated with unexpected accident or sickness while in Canada. One day in hospital can cost as much as $3,000 or more. 21st century, you can also see them news and also contact us claims and FAQ. In contact us, you can see you can your name, input your name, phone number, email, message, and you can directly send them a single message so that they can get back to you so hard that you want and hard they want. There is simple question. In the quote, get a free quote and apply. Go here, you click here, you can see hard. There are four options for your coverage. Like first of all, application date, country, then select coverage. If you complete number one step, then you can go number two, select coverage. Then number three is fill application, and number four is submit, and then you can get your insurance. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.